At Foster Plumbing, we do ground up tenant improvement on our service division. We do everything from drain cleaning, backflow replacements and certifications, pipe replacement, tankless water heaters, boiler maintenance, anything required for a plumbing system service. We service primarily the Denver metro area.
Our ideal customer is looking to build relationships and carry on long term.
We work a lot with property management groups, building engineers, direct to owners, and different organizations that provide construction services. We've really tried to break the mold in the construction industry. So what we look for in people and our values are people eager to advance in their careers. We offer an apprenticeship program, leadership training.
We really look for guys that have great personalities, that are friendly. We do have a sense of urgency. We want to get our stuff done right, but we also make this a fun place to work.
Everybody treats each other with respect, which is one of the big things I was looking for when I was looking to try and find a new company to work for. Well, I feel like they're peers. I look around, I don't see anybody bagging on anybody for mistakes. Everybody's willing to teach, willing to learn.
Everything we do is at the highest level, from the moment you call our office to the time that a technician leaves your job site.
We answer our phone, we show up on time, we do good work, and we stand behind it.